Hey guys! Today we'll be making
cheeseburger sliders. For more recipes,
consider subscribing. Now, let's step into our kitchen.
we'll start by mixing in our seasonings.
Make sure to mix it in well. Heat your pan and add a drizzle of oil.
Add your onions to your pan and let them saute.
Once your onions are golden, add in your ground beef.
We'll chop and mix occasionally until it's brown and fully cooked.
This step is optional. Cut the Hawaiian roll in half. Slice your Hawaiian roll in half to make a top bun and a bottom bun.
We melted the butter and begin to spread it across the pan. Place what will be the bottom of your buns in the pan.
Layer it with American cheese. Add in your cooked ground beef.
Making sure to spread it across. Add your cheddar cheese. Once you've added your top buns, now you will spread melted butter over the top.
Place in oven for 5 to 10 minutes.
Making sure that your buns are toasted and your cheese is melted. Wow, these look great.
Yeah, these look ready to eat.
These will be perfect for appetizers.
Oh, and football Sundays.
Thanks for joining our kitchen.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon.